Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I am really excited to share these products with you because two of them go together, and let me just tell you, they are amazing, and I have lots of fun samples to share with you. Before we jump into those two, I want to share this folder with you. I designed this one a long time ago, finally get to bring it to you, which is exciting, and it's almost summertime. We're starting to think about the beach or lakes or fun things like that. So here we go. It is our shell folded. It's a scallop shell, and the cool thing is I was able to get two little tiny baby ones in there as well with the shadows. So that's really fun. And you know what? You're thinking, oh, a shell, huh? When you see my samples, a light bulb's gonna go off. Trust me. Now, the next one I have to share with you is a card base. It's a fairly new version of a card base that we're doing. And let me just tell you, I love it. It is a new shape for us, which is always fun, right? It is called the Bouncy shape. Where that name came from, I'm actually not sure, but it doesn't matter. Are you ready? Get set. Here we go. It is called the Bouncy A2 Bouncy card die set. Now, why is it special? It is special because, let me turn it over. It is special because the front of the card is the bouncy shape. You also get some word dies and this awesome pin dot background die. Now, what am I talking about? Well, let me just show you the example so you can really get an idea of it. So this is the front of the card, and then we're gonna open it up, and that is the die, optional of course, you don't have to use it if you don't want to, that is also included in the set. But look how fun it is. It also includes the words, today is a new day. Isn't that awesome? I know, I'm really excited about it. Now, the nesting dies, because you're thinking, oh, I love that shape, I need more. Yeah, let me tell you, my team has had so much fun with this nesting set. It is just unbelievable. So let's jump in and look at all the samples because I think you're gonna fall in love. Let's look at the shells first. And I know you're thinking shells, let's celebrate. Remember, we used to have, long time back, it's still on our website, luckily, we had the shells to stamp. So here we go. It's your birthday with those little shells. And I'm gonna kind of lay them out as I go because I want you to see how different each one can be. Here's a cute one with purple. You know I love purple, second favorite color, love it. There's one. Ooh, look at this one. Tropical to stamp is added on this one. Look how pretty that is. I love that rainbow effect. So there we go. Here's another one. This is by Yvette. I always know it's Yvette. And it's more of a vintage look, which is absolutely stunning. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, you guys, we have more. We have more. Look, I'm running out of room. Look at this. Put a big word set die set on it. You got this. Look at that. That's fun. And here's another one. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. This one is a sneak peek. Just a heads up. There are some sneak peek items on here that I'm not going to even talk about, but look how fun they are. Oh, you're going to love that one. And then, of course, we have the regular blue. But look at how many options, you guys. You could decorate it like this. You could decorate it like this, or this, or this, or this, or this. So many different options. Oh, and I forgot to show you this. You can even make it stand as well, right? Oops, I'm kind of losing it on that one. But look, it can also be a stand card or a stand-up card. Now, let me move on because I want to show you some more. Are you ready for those card bases? I'm going to knock your socks off. Let's go. Here we go. Fun rainbow. Today is a new day. Look at that. Isn't that fun? A2 in size, which is really fun. But keep in mind, it can also go horizontal. The choice is yours. This shape is so versatile. Reach for the stars. You will be able to use it any which way you want. Also, and I'm excited to show this one to you because I always get some requests. I always get a lot of requests for this. More masculine cards. Does it get more masculine than that? Look at how gorgeous that is. And you're thinking bouncy shape. That's not the first one I would think of when I wanted to make a masculine card. Yeah, look at this. Isn't that awesome? I love it. Here's another one. Today is a new day. Open that up right there. Horizontal or vertical. Again, horizontal or vertical. So the choice is yours. You're getting a lot of different options. Lot of different options. Ooh, and look at that. There's our, oh, you guys, the lavish long stems. I'm telling you, I am in love with those. In love. Here we go. Here's another one. Using that background die first and then die cutting the layering die so you get that double effect. I love that. I'm praying for you. Imagine sending this to someone. Wow, that is definitely going to uplift their spirits. Now, oh, one more. Look at this. Dun, 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 dun. There's that lavish and long. Oh, you guys, today is a new day. Now, you're thinking, oh, I love that card base. I have to get that card base, but do I really need the layering dies? Yes, watch this. Here you go. Perfect for our Stampin' Die Hard Club set of the month. Look at this. Inside, on the outside. Here's another one, layered, right? Layered. Look at that on the inside as well. How fun to do your inside like this, where you're cutting. You know how sometimes I will usually say, if it's too dark, you could do another color in white. What about if you do a shape? Isn't that awesome? The Bouncy shape is so versatile. Or you could make it an actual card if you want a full-on fold it, right? Here's another one as a full-on fold it. Love it on the side. Oh, tricky, tricky. Look at that. Did you see that? That is awesome. That's on the side. Here it is up at the top. Oh, and by the way, Cheryl, you won the Miller Award on this one. He wrote his M on the back, so we know that's a Miller winner. And here is another one. Okay, I think this one won my award because I absolutely love that. Isn't that gorgeous? 5x7, so pretty and elegant. So you can go lots of different directions with this shape. Elegant or masculine or purple or blue or gold horizontal. Lots and lots of different options. My friends, oh, upside down. My friends, club members, you know the deal. You know how this all works. Not only the first 24 hours are these items on our website, the first 24 hours or until sold out on flash sale. Let me say that again, flash sale. But club members, not only do you get the flash sale price the first 24 hours or until sold out, you also get your club discount on top of that. So you get to double dip on those discounts, which is awesome. Now, if you're not in the club, and you're saying, what is this woman talking about? First of all, that might mean that you're new to our channel. Make sure you click the subscribe button that's right down there and click that little bell. We go live 2 or 3 times a week, and I have crafting corners on Thursday where I get live and we get together and we chat and I make something. And I have my No Makeup Mondays on Monday where we just sit and chit chat. So make sure you check those out as well. And you have to click that subscribe on YouTube and that little bell so you get a notification. If you're not in a club, you need to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club up at the top and just watch the video. I want you to watch that video to kind of get an idea of how we work and how things go, but you can be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set made in the USA, high quality photopolymer delivered to your door every month. $13.99. That's it. That's it. That's less than most companies charge you for a 4x6 stamp set. Am I right? $13.99. Now, little asterisks, of course, because if your area needs us to add tax, we have to do that. We got to play by all the rules, right? But $13.99. You get a stamp set, but what else do you get? Well, let me tell you. You're getting 15% off our entire website every single day, every single order, every single item. Well, does that mean if I place an order today, I get the discount, and if I place another order next week, I get the discount? Yes, every single day, every single item, every single order. Well, you say, Stephanie, every single item. Does that mean die cut machines or totally Tiffany items or cardstock or tri-blend pens? Yes, every single item. No asterisks allowed on that one. Isn't that awesome? So go to our, oh, and you also get to earn club points. You get a club anniversary gift certificate when you stay in a full year. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com, because if you know what, if you're not in the club, you need to join. The minimum commitment's only 3 months. After 3 months, you can cancel it anytime because we know you won't want to. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.